$200 a day with affiliate marketing, no product needed. Hey, have you wanted to do affiliate marketing? You've heard about it. It sounds really cool. Sounds like something you'd like to do, and you know you don't have to have products to do it. Well, in this video I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing, tell you how you can do it and make $200 a day or much more. And I also want to share with you a story about how I got involved with affiliate marketing, and we're starting right now. Hey, I'm JR Fisher. Welcome to my channel, or your channel. I call it your channel because this information on this channel is really designed for you. It's designed to help you make money online. Any questions you have about making money online, we covered on this channel. I've been selling online since 2009. I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, and on this channel I actually share with you the things I do that works, and I also tell you the things that doesn't work and save you a lot of time, money, and hassle. So let's jump right into this thing. What is affiliate marketing? It's a great way to make money, but let's do some definitions here first, and then I'm going to give you the map to getting there and making some money. Okay, so affiliate marketing, basically the broad definition of it is it's one of the oldest marketing practices ever, and basically all it is you send a company a customer, a lead, some business, and you get paid for doing that. That's basically all affiliate marketing is. All you need to do is sign up for an affiliate program. Now the simplest one that most people do is Amazon. I do Amazon. You'll find in the description below there's a bunch of links to Amazon down there, and if you click on one of those links and you buy something, I get a small commission. So that's one of the simplest ones, but there's a lot more out there, and I want to talk about some of the different terms. First off, the first one is PPC. Okay, PPC is pay per click, and basically how this works is as you send traffic to an offer, okay, it can be an offer for survival food, which we have. It can be an offer for shoes or radios or whatever it is. When you send a click there, you have a line of code that's attributed to you, and every time you send a lead there, pay per click, you get paid. Every time somebody clicks, it goes to that location, you're going to get paid. The next one is PPS. PPS is pay per sale. Now I have an association with Share a Sale, and I have affiliates there, and when they send me traffic and somebody actually buys one of my products on my survival food site, they in turn get paid a commission, and that's called pay per sale. The next one is called PPL, or pay per lead. So what happens there is somebody, an affiliate, will get paid based on them sending me traffic and me getting their contact information, a name and email, something along those lines, or name, email, phone number, depending on what I require for that affiliate program. Once that affiliate sends somebody to me and I get the contact information, they automatically get paid. Now what's really cool about affiliate marketing, it can really kind of be a passive income source. Now there's really no thing such as passive income. You have to do something initially. I mean, even if you own real estate, you're gonna have to buy the house, you're gonna have to collect the rent, but bottom line is you can be making money when you're on vacation, when you're asleep. Once you set up a traffic source, whether it be an ad or your blog or a website, and you're sending traffic to an affiliate offer, you get paid while you're sleeping, while you're eating, while you're on vacation. So it's a pretty cool thing. Now the first thing I'm going to tell you is be patient. Be patient. It doesn't happen overnight. A lot of people will tell you, oh, you're gonna make money tomorrow. You might, but I don't think you will. You've got to send good, reliable traffic to an offer, and if you send good, reliable traffic to an offer, it will convert as long as the offer is good, and you'll start making money. And I know a lot of people out there think, well, I'm just going to send a lot of traffic to a whole bunch of different offers, and that's how I want to make money. I wouldn't do that. In the beginning, I would pick some of the best offers you can find and concentrate on sending them a lot of traffic. It's a better way to go about it than to kind of spin your wheels and send it out there to a whole bunch of different offers. You don't even know if they're any good or not. Next thing I'll tell you is to use multiple traffic sources. Okay, some people say, well, I have a blog and my blog gets a lot of traffic and I know that'll be great. That's good, but why not add Facebook? Why not add YouTube videos? Why not add paid ads? In other words, the more traffic you can drive to something, the better off you are. And what you're going to find is some of these traffic sources are going to be better than others. So maybe you've been writing a blog and spending 20 hours a week on this blog, and it does generate traffic and you can get clicks to an affiliate offer, but maybe you run an ad and it takes you an hour and a half to set up the ad and you get 10 times the amount of traffic. Okay, so then you don't have to spend as much of your time. Sure, you're going to spend a little bit of money, but maybe that source will be better for you. Or maybe you have a great social media following and you could start posting affiliate offers there. You could be an influencer about this particular product. Now you need to attract targeted traffic, and there's several ways you can do that. I just mentioned a couple of them, but you can do article marketing. So you could be writing articles in a particular niche or subject, and you could have links in there that go to that affiliate offer. You could also do email marketing. Maybe you have a list that's already built up of people who are interested in a particular niche. You could put those offers in your emails. You could also do the paid advertising, which I mentioned, and you could do free advertising, which of course is social media. Now keep in mind, if you're doing something like blogs or articles, something along those lines, you're going to need to have a higher ranking, because you're going to need your page to come up for more people to click on it. So if you don't have that, you may want to try one of these alternatives. Now this is the important part, real important right here: test, measure, and track. Test, measure, and track. When I say test, is you want to try a whole bunch of different things. Don't try one thing and say, well, that didn't work. All you've done, if you try one thing and say it doesn't work, is you've knocked out the one thing that doesn't work, but there is something that does work. Okay, keep in mind, this is a big industry. It's not like people aren't making money at it. They are making money at it, and you can too, but you've got to try different things. Once you get a few things that work, then it's time to measure. Okay, you want to look at which one of those sources is doing the best for you, and maybe get rid of one of the other sources and go to the source that's doing the best. And then of course you want to track it, because whatever you're doing, whether it's a blog, whether it's an ad, whether it's social media post, they come and go. Okay, some things work for a while and then they stop working, and you're gonna have to switch to something else. It is going to be ongoing work. However, you can earn passive income once you set up the things that do work. Now I will warn you, you want to look for product demand. Okay, if there's not a big product demand for what you're doing, you can't make but so much money. Like right now we're in the middle of a pandemic, and we sell survival food, and I have tons of people that want to be affiliates. You know, I put our product up on Share a Sale, and I had like 50-60 people within 2 days that wanted to be affiliates. Why? Because it's a high demand product right now. They know they can make a lot of money. Now you got to stay on top of the market too. The stuff changes. I'm telling you, it changes. You want to follow all the new methods and techniques that are out there that are proven. Okay, don't just try something to try it, but you do have to stay on top of stuff. So many new companies have come out, so much new software has come out, that you can use some of these things to promote these affiliate offers. The next thing I'll tell you is select the right advertiser. You could buy a banner on a site for $20, and the problem with that is that site may not have any traffic whatsoever. So you know, obviously things like Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, those are the things that are really going to bring in the traffic. And I know they cost more, but they're also going to get you more results, so you have to consider that. Now there's a lot of tools out there you can use. Okay, you need these tools to make your campaigns efficient. Why? Because other people are using them, and if they're using them and you're not, you will get left behind. So I wanted to look at some of those real quick. One of the ones that I like, get inspired by topics, is BuzzSumo. You want to check out BuzzSumo. And Feedly are also very, very good. For social media, you want to check out things like Buffer. You want to use in social media shortened links. So you want to use something like Bitly. I use Bitly, and Bitly links are great because they're free. They don't cost you anything. If you want to have cool things like cool gifts and all that, you want to look at Unsplash, and you also want to look at Gift Maker. Okay, both of those things are great sources for making those. For monetization, you know, you can use Google AdSense, you can use VigLink, you can use Flippa, you can use Share a Sale. There's so many of the other ones out there for you to choose from, but make sure you check them out. Okay, so I told you I want to share my story with you and how I got involved in it. And I didn't know what affiliate marketing was in the beginning. And when I started my survival food company, I had this survival food, I had a website, and nobody was coming to it, nobody was buying anything. Okay, and this is like back in 2010. And you know, I used to sit in my office and I'd look at all these other websites that had so much traffic, and I thought, wow, if I had 100,000 or 1,000,000 people come to my website a month, I'd make a lot of money. That'd be really cool. But I didn't. Okay, I tried SEO, I couldn't get my pages to rank on the first page, which is generally what you have to do. And then a little light bulb went off one day, and I thought, well, what if my products were on these sites that got all this traffic? What if I put my products on those sites and I paid those people a commission? They didn't have to buy the product, and I could just ship it out to the customer when they sold it. So I contacted a bunch of them, and most of them told me no, I will say that at the beginning. But after a while I got a few, and I got a few more and a few more. And you know, quite honestly, for the past 10 years, it's made me a lot of money, millions of dollars in sales, because my products are on a lot of sites. If you want to check that out, you can search survival cave food and you'll see millions of hits and just tons of websites where my products are located at. So that may be a lot of money. And then I realized there's other things out there. I got involved with ClickBank, and ClickBank is a great source, and I came out with courses, and I put some of my courses on ClickBank, started selling courses there. I now have, in this video, you can look below, affiliate links for products that I use, the lighting in here, the cameras, the stuff like that. That's all below in my description. You can click those links. I make a little bit of money on it, so please do that. Also, I want to tell you, if you're trying to get involved in this stuff, I have a $97 course that's absolutely free. All you have to do is click the link below, grab my course, $97 course. It's free, no credit card, just click and learn. So check that out. Also, don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that big subscribe button right there. Grab it, hit it, and then what do? You ring the bell. Okay, you turn on all bell notifications so that you're notified every single time I do one of these new videos. You're part of the Fisher family. You're part of the VIP group that gets notified before anybody else. That's pretty cool stuff, isn't it? Now, if you've got a comment about affiliate marketing or anything having to do with making money online, put your comment below. If you got questions, put those questions below. I love getting your questions. I love getting your comments. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't like it, either one, but give me some reaction, something there to let me know that you're alive. Okay, if you participate, the chances are you're going to be a lot more successful than if you don't. You want to be successful, participate. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.